Happy birthday, Samantha. Can you say happy birthday? Samantha, happy birthday, my love. Samantha, I love you. Samantha's 2 years old today, and I'm letting her watch Caillou because it's her birthday.
Show me a red leaf, Rosie. Yes, good for you.
Here's a yellow one, Mommy, and another red one.
And it's a rainy day outside today, but it's okay because it's your birthday. I love you. Can you say happy birthday?
I think it's time